Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. To start my presentation, life is too short. Grudges are a waste of perfect happiness. Love when you can, apologize when you should, and let go of what you can. Take chances, give everything and have no regards. Life is too short, you will be unhappy. You have to take the good with the bad. Smile when you are sad. Love what you got and always remember what you had. Always forgive, but never forget. Learn from your mistakes, but never regret. People change and things go wrong, but always remember, life goes on. Every season, every person. So life is too short means life is very simple. If you have dreams, ideas, emotion, thoughts, so enjoy your life. If you are sad, please don't sad. Enjoy them and you will be happy. And share your expectations to people and give experiences to people, which is a huge chance to people. Actually, your expectation is a perfect for all participants. If you have a dream, so share your dream. Inshallah, God will give you dreams, opportunity to understand, and God, inshallah, will do it to a huge happiness to you. First of all, your unhappy and sadness, you will finish, inshallah, when you are trying. Actually, understand people and give enjoyment to all people and entertainment. So thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.